So Bhumi Devi is not ordinary. She's chanting Radha, 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 Radha. So what did she do? Is it by tapabalam? Is it she did intense austerities? So then they're thinking, if we should ask Bhumi, what austerities did she perform to get such an incredible fortune? Because if we know what tapa she did, then we can also perform the same austerities and get free from our intense suffering and separation from Krishna. Considering like this, the gopis then ask, "Oh, Bhumi Devi, what austerities did you perform by which you now shine with bliss?" Can you imagine looking at the earth? Oh, Bhumi, someone's looking at you from a distance. So think, my God, this person has really gone correct. Oh, Mother Bhumi, what austerities did you perform to get this great fortune of always being with Krishna? You're looking at the earth. Oh, the earth is shining with bliss. I mean, I've seen people and yogis and advanced devotees that are radiant and full of tej and full of shining with the bliss of their Atmaramata. The Atmaram, they're in bliss due to their tapabalam or their development of all their yoga siddhis and chakras. And you see the yogi teachers and blissful pure devotees, they're radiant. The purity of their heart and the radiance of the love they're cherishing in their heart emanates from their faces. They're glowing